This is just a super informal guide to how you can create a green screen studio from your own home. So to create content, you don't need a high definition camera. I film everything on my phone with the front camera. I have a green screen here, which is literally just a green cloth. An easy thing to hang this off is a clothes rail. You can get them super cheap on the internet. And then all you do is hang the sheet up, put some clips on there to stretch out so there aren't creases, and then for my makeshift tripod, I have a chair with some boxes. As long as it's level and you can frame yourself properly, you're fine. And then I have these two lights just so my face is not in the dark. For part of lockdown, I was quarantined at my boyfriend's house and he has no green screen, so we went to the range, picked up a blue bedsheet, I had sellotaped it to his wall, filmed in front of that with no professional lighting, and the footage still came out like okay. And as long as your phone can film in decent enough quality, you'll be fine. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you.